City of Pueblo granting $10,000 to the Center for Health Progress, helping that organization in their efforts to make vaccines more accessible to anyone who is eligible. News 5's Natalie Chuck spent the day diving into the ways that Pueblo's vaccine distribution could be more equal for all members of the community. Natalie.
Yeah, Rob, the Center for Health Progress has been setting up vaccination registration clinics all over town in some of the most minority areas here in Pueblo, just like places like businesses and this park that you see right behind me, trying to help get those registered who might otherwise have a hard time registering for the vaccine. And I spoke with them today just as Lieutenant Governor happened to be in town exploring another one of Pueblo's equity efforts. As Boone Guest House vaccinated roughly 50 adults with disabilities, Lieutenant Governor Diane Primavera made the trip down from Denver, expressing the importance of vaccine equity across Colorado.
It's nice to see the clinics in different areas doing outreach to marginalized communities. There is a partnership that's really important to making sure that we get the vaccine to the communities that need it the most.
But Teresa Trujillo with the Center for Health Progress says, unfortunately, the state couldn't offer the help they need for their mission.
We were approached by the governor's office to run equity vaccination clinics. But if you're an organization without medical infrastructure that doesn't regularly see patients, finding volunteers to run a clinic, there's currently no compensation that we're aware of for this work.
The group found their efforts were better put to use through vaccine registration.
We're hearing a lot of complaints from folks in the community that they're unable to make appointments in Spanish.
While the state offers data by demographics showing that those who identify as white are overwhelmingly more likely to have been vaccinated, Trujillo says there is no data broken down on a county level based on race.
The fact that those numbers aren't available at the county level for us to look at, how are we performing at a county level when so much of this rests on the responsibility of the county, I don't know what to say about that.
And the best way to get minorities vaccinated?
Improve existing structures that are well funded. We've got to make those more equitable, remove as many barriers as are possible to remove, and get folks familiar with that system.
And the CHP is looking for more places to host vaccine registration clinics. So if you own a business or know of a place in an area that could use their services, please reach out to them over on their website, the centerforhealthprogress.org. Always watching out for you, Pueblo. Natalie Chuck, News 5.